सोनी टीवी के इंडियन आइडल तब से सुर्खियां बटोर रहा है जब से ये शो आपके टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर दिखाया जा रहा है। आपको बता दें कि ये शो जब से ऑन एयर हुआ है तब से इस शो को काफी टीआरपी मिल रही है, लेकिन इस शो में आपको कई सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज भी अभी से सुनाई देने लगी है। जी हाँ, शो के जज अनु मलिक एक बार फिर आ गए हैं सुर्खियों में अपने मी टू वाले एक्ट की वजह से। आपने तो अनु मलिक को बतौर जज देख ही लिया होगा इंडियन आइडल के मंच पर, लेकिन जब से अनु मलिक ने शो में वापसी की है तब से सभी शो को बैकलैश कर रहे हैं अनु मलिक को शो से हटाने के लिए। अगर लेटेस्ट बज़ की बात करें तो चैनल भी अब अनु मलिक को शो से रिप्लेस करने का विचार करने लगा है। सूत्रों की माने तो अनु मलिक को कुछ दिनों के लिए शो से बाहर का रास्ता दिखाया जा सकता है, क्योंकि मेकर्स ने ये नहीं सोचा था कि अभी भी इस बात को इतना बड़ा मुद्दा बनाया जा सकता है। अभी तक इस खबर पर ना तो अनु मलिक ने कुछ खुलकर कमेंट किया है, ना ही इंडियन आइडल के मेकर्स ने। आपको बता दें कि कुछ दिनों पहले ही हमारे चैनल ने ऐसी ही एक स्टोरी चलाई थी, लेकिन क्या कुछ है उस वीडियो में, चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं।
सचिन तेंदुलकर का ट्वीट था, रियली टच्ड बाय द सोलफुल सिंगिंग एंड लाइफ स्टोरीज ऑफ दिस टैलेंटेड यंगस्टर्स ऑन इंडियन आइडल। Rahul, Chelsea, Divas and Sunny come from different parts of the country but have the same passion and dedication for music. Despite all odds, I'm sure they'll go a long way. और इसी ट्वीट का रिप्लाई देते हुए सोना मोहापात्रा ने लिखा, Dear Sachin, are you aware of all the India Me Too stories of multiple women? Some minors who came forward in the public domain about Anu Malik, the judge in the same Indian Idol show last year, including their own ex-producer. Does this trauma not matter or touch anyone? सोना ने आगे कहा, Yes, the context is actually missing for you. A powerful conglomerate like Sony TV is trying to divert the shameful reinstating of a multiple accused sexual offender, Anu Malik, as a judge on Indian Idol by publicizing Sachin and Anand Mahindra's praise and riding on their goodwill. सोना ने एक आर्टिकल को भी किया शेयर और लिखा, It takes only a Nirbhaya level tragedy for India to wake up. Few days after these, I was asked to leave my judge seat. My co-judge told me the publicity I provided to Anu Malik took up the TRPs of our rival show. A year later, a sexual predator is back on the same seat. और इसके बाद सिंगर नेहा भसीन ने भी किया था अनु मलिक के खिलाफ ट्वीट। सोना के इस ट्वीट का रिप्लाई देते हुए उन्होंने ट्वीट किया, I agree with you. We do live in a very sexist world. Anu Malik is a predator. I too have run away from his strange moves when I was 21. I didn't let myself get into a sticky situation beyond him lying on a sofa in front of me talking about my eyes in a studio. I fled lying my mum's waiting below. He even messaged and called me after that, to which I stopped responding. The point is, I went to give him my CD and hope for a chance at a song. He was older and shouldn't have behaved the way he did. Anu Malik is an ugly pervert. ये ट्वीट के बाद सोना ने उनकी तारीफ की और लिखा, I have known this spunky, driven and talented Neha Bhasin since her Viva days and know she would have dealt with the trauma bravely without succumbing. I also know too many who were victimized. Youngsters and parents on a reality show are desperate to win and Anu Malik has been judged for 11 years. फिर नेहा भसीन ने लिखा, Even though I have a brave DNA, Sona, as you have known me, the industry or the world was not an easy place. As a young girl alone away from family due to many such incidents or getting a hunch of such perverts. Perverts exist inside and outside our industry, but why are we so forgiving to the men? Do we realize that is what gives them the strength to ruin our dignity, hide as women in our houses? I hid many times so as to not get myself in a sticky situation. Why is it okay for a man who is predator to walk free while we hide in shame and fear? Last thing I wanna say is 19 to age 30, many older men try to make their cheap advances on any rest assured. I complained to the people I thought would bring justice. The TV world says a woman's role is of Ma, Bhabhi and Behan. Oh yes, I was told that too. So what is a man's role? फिर नेहा भसीन ने लिखा, The press thinks I have something more to say. I said what I had to. Anu Malik has been accused several times. Sony TV alone knows why he is so precious to them, or why so many men here are supporting him. Power tripping was a thing of the 90s, so look out perverts. We are not scared. Thank you to all those who did not question my integrity. To those who are supporting the one man the whole industry knows as a predator, RIP your consciousness because you are like him. And please, who needs publicity out of a man who is almost has been? Get a life. Good night. Well, उन्होंने अपनी कहानी भी बताई आगे. She said, I left, didn't I? I didn't contact him for work, didn't I? I spoke to support women who he harmed much more, to stand behind them as my voice matters. In Viva, I complained about the seniors in the co misbehaving with me. What happened? Nothing. They found other ways to shame me. Make my life hell. My band members will vouch for my misery. Times have changed with social media. The amount of power tripping that used to goes on, mind games that go on are rare beyond enormous. The only complaints taken in court are of rape and molestation. Abuses are of many kind. Shweta Pandit was 15 when he misbehaved. What does a child say? The shame you feel, the fear, the confusion. Please, we need to stop questioning the victim. It's time you question the criminals. Neha Bhasin added, our current actions will pave the way for that. I strike back today at perverts and trolls to teach my nieces and other young girls to fight back. I tell them don't be ashamed, but all generations were not brought up like that. India lays a lot of shame on women of deeds of men. वहीं सोना तो सचिन तेंदुलकर पर कमेंट किए ही जा रही थी. I don't think that our cricketing legend Sachin was even aware of the PR and digital marketing tweet that his team would have put up. Of course, Sony TV is now spreading this headline to get people to troll me for questioning a Bharat Ratna and garner publicity for their show. Sona added, Dear India, just like actors and cricketers get paid to endorse brands on TV, their Twitter and social media handles are available for a price for the same purpose. I doubt Sachin Tendulkar watches Indian Idol and then bothers to write detailed tweets about their contestants.
इंडियन आइडल से जुड़ी ऐसी खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।